to Granthams. My name is Alfie and I'm part of the sales team here at Granthams, and today I'll be taking you around the Elite Grande 650L and to give you an idea of the interior and exterior of the caravan. So where better to start than the front facing area of the caravan itself. As you can see, you've got the nice finish on the front locker, which is large enough to contain 2 gas bottles, and inside, when you buy one of the caravans, it will come standard with a step, a steady winder, an electric cable and a water pump as well. And then as we move down to the A-frame, you can see all the extra bits and pieces for hitching up, along with the ATC module on this caravan. For hitching up, if you are new to caravanning, we can go over that on the day of collection, or we do have other videos which we are able to send across for your benefit as well. So as we move across to the left hand side of the caravan, you've got the nice blue and grey finish down the side, with an extra couple of details here and there with the birds and the lettering on the side of the actual caravan. And then as we move down, you've got a little bit of storage here on the exterior, which does come underneath to the sofas on the inside. You've got your water intakes, and then you do also have a external shower point here as well. So then as we move further down, you've got your toilet cassette area here, along with here as well you've got an under storage bit which just leads to just next to the wardrobe. Then as we come to the rear end of the caravan, you've got the 2 standard bits which come with all Swifts, so that if you would like to fit a bike rack you are able to, and it's nice and simple. Then as we move to the habitation side, same again on this side, you've got a nice storage space underneath which leads into this side on the wardrobe. Same again with the decals. And then also on this side you do have a 230 volt socket, along with a TV point here as well, which just opens up and there's a nice TV area for you. And then you have a gas barbecue point here as well. And just give you one last look. So now we'll move into the interior of the caravan and give you an idea of that as well. So we are now in the interior of the caravan, and where better to start than the lounge area of it. As you can see with this model, you do have the nice L-shaped lounge, which does give you a nice bit of open space. So as you turn around, and you've got all this space around it, just makes it feel a bit more open and more family friendly. Here as well on the side you do have another TV point, so when you're on the lounge you can fit a TV there. Nice and simple, and it's just nice to watch it all with the family. On the inside we do have all the storage space. This one does have the radio cassette area in. Just gives you an idea of the storage of this caravan. Moving across as well, just above the habitation door, you do have the outer heating to show you which heating is inside this caravan. So you've got all the underfloor heating and everything inside, along with the main control panel, which controls all your bits and pieces like your awning lights, your water levels, all the lightings and everything else. Moving across, you do have the large fridge and freezer here, which does open on both sides. So you've got all the fridge storage on this bit, and then as well here you do have the freezer inside there as well. So the fridge does open on both sides, so say for example someone's coming out the toilet, you can just open it the other way. As well as also inside here is where the fold-away table is kept. Then as we move across to the kitchen area, we've got all the extra bits and storage here as well. So as you open up both of these, they're nice just open spaces so that any kind of your kitchen appliances and bits and pieces can be kept away nice and easily. So with this oven, you do have 3 gas hobs and then you do have 1 electric hob, so you've got the benefit of being able to use either one of them, along with the grill, with all the grill pan bits and pieces inside, and then the main oven itself. Moving up again, you do have the microwave on this one, just centerised here. And then as we move across, you do have another storage space here. This one does have the solar panel inside. So it's got all your solar panel bits and pieces there for charging. You don't have to do anything with that. As long as it's beeping green, you know it's on. Same again with this one. Just a bit of space for you. And then you've got some bits to hold your plates and everything like that. Let's give you a look around the lounge one last time. So our display model does currently have a aircon fitted to it. This is an added extra that you can add on if you like, which, as you can see, it just gets fitted on there, doesn't take up a lot of space and doesn't add a lot of weight. So now, as we move forward through the caravan, you do come into the bathroom area, and first thing you notice as you walk in is you've got the nice display mirror just there, as well as some bit there to put any kind of items on. Then on the left side, you've got the toilet, along with your sink area. Same again as you move down. Nice and simple. And you have an overhead bit which you can open up if it's during the day or you want to let all the steam out. And then moving across to the right side, you've got the shower head bit there with the nice finish inside it, as well as a few bits and pieces like a towel ring so you can hang everything up nice and simply. And then as you move to the back end, you do have the bedroom area. So you've got the centre bed along with the two wardrobes on both sides with the overhead lockers. And then as you turn around here, we do have a TV point there, so you are able to fit a TV bracket so that whilst you're in bed you can relax, put some TV on and just enjoy it. So as we come into the wardrobes, as you can see inside them, you do have plenty of space for clothes and bits and pieces. In this one, you do have the Aldi fluid inside. Same again as we move down. Just got a nice open space for any kind of clothes you're bringing with you, so you don't have to worry about overpacking. Same again on both of these, both nice open spaces with shelving units inside. And then as we move across to the other side, so as you can see with this one, without the Aldi fluid, it is just one big open space in the wardrobe. So I'll give you one last little tour of the caravan. So that is the Elite Grande 650L for you. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you do have any questions regarding the caravan or any further inquiries into it, don't be afraid to contact me or any other salesperson here at Grantham's at 01476 560599. Thank you, have a good day.